Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. How to determine that you have a high level of intelligence. They say that if you have a high level of intelligence, then you are very smart. Not. In fact, these are two different concepts. How to recognize that you have a high level of intelligence. You have such quality as self-control and never break. You react absolutely calmly to everything and do not break people. Attention switching. Distracted from the events that your brain has been paying attention to for a long time is very good. So your brain is capable of something that you would not have thought possible. Late to go to bed. People with a high level of intelligence go to bed very late. Those who are called owls are probably smarter than they seem. Even famous historical figures manage to sleep late. You ask a lot of questions. Why was always smarter than others? Because they are always interested in everyone. And this suggests that their brains require knowledge. You calmly perceive the fact that you cannot know everything in the world. That is, you are devoid of high ego. You have a good sense of humor. It is known that people who can laugh at themselves and find ridiculous where others do not see it, says that you are clearly a highly intelligent person. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.